shadows fall, doubts rise. I lift my eyes beyond the skies, and there I find a love untold, a grace that holds me pure as gold. You saw my soul, broken and worn, still you called me yours before I was born. Oh, your love is wider than the ocean span, deeper than eternity's own plan. No sin too dark, no night too long. You sing redemption's gentle song. And though I fail, your heart stays true. This boundless love came chasing after you. I've wandered far on deserts dry, beneath the cold. Shadows fall and doubts arise, I lift my eyes beyond the skies, and there I find a love untold.